Hello and welcome back. So we're going to continue to work on our graffiti animation project. And today we're going to start by adding some more color. So let's extend our animation a little bit. So we're going to go to our File Explorer. We're going to open up our digital art folder, find our animation folder and our project right here. I'm going to double click to open that project in Gimp. And here it is. All right, so we're going to, sorry about that, we're going to start by looking at our graffiti number 9. So we extended the front of our animation in the previous session. Now we're going to extend it the end of the animation. So we're going to start with graffiti number 9, and we're going to duplicate that layer. So we're going to call this layer, I'm going to double click on it, we're going to call it graffiti color change. Okay, and we'll call that color change 1. So you can kind of see how I'm trying to stay as organized as possible in my layers palette along this process. So one of the cool features that is available in Gimp is that we can select areas of color and change those areas of color. So I thought this would be kind of a fun way to adapt and change this project a little bit. So with the very new layer selected in the layers palette, so I've just duplicated it, named it, and now it's selected. I'm going to go up to the word select, which is in the menu bar here at the top, and I'm going to go down to select by color. Okay, this is going to pop up. It's going to give me a little selection tool, and I'm going to pick this like off-white cream color here. So it goes through the design, and anywhere that color is present, it selects that color automatically for us. We don't have to click on all of the little areas. So then all we have to do is select a new color in our foreground that we might want this color to be. I need it to be bluer than that, I think. Okay, now click OK. And then I'm just going to drag that color over onto that space, and it automatically makes the project that color. So I've changed that area. Now, I still have the select tool, so I could come in and change another area if I want. So let's say I'm going to, well, actually, let's do this. I'm going to right click, duplicate layer. I'm going to name this one color change 2. And on this layer, I'm going to select maybe this blue outline. So now I have a different color there. I'm going to choose a new color. This time I'm choosing black. And I'm going to drag that on. And it fills everywhere in the black. I'm going to duplicate the layer. Color change, I will make this color change number 3. There we go. It's kind of hard to read. Let's see here. I can move this over so you can see my names. I don't need all that extra stuff on my layer name there. Actually, I'll delete it here while I'm thinking about it. Okay, so now I'm on layer color change 3, and I'm going to select another area. Maybe this green background color. Let's change that. Let's make that bright yellow. And it's one of those things that you have to play around with. And there you go. So that's some funky color changes today. What I'd like you to do today is really think about 3 layers. So adding color change 1, color change 2, color change 3 today. Once you've kind of adjusted those and changed those, that's probably all the progress you need for today. I'm going to go ahead and go up here to select and none to get rid of those dancing ants around those pieces so I can really see what my animation looks like. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go File, Save. Okay. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my screenshot for the day, and I'll do that right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, here's my screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the Save button. There we go. I'm going to find my digital art folder, find my screenshot folder, and in here, this would be 12.05 screenshot. PNG, everything looks good. I'm going to hit save. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back out to Schoology. I'm going to find my sketchbook. This should be our 12.5 slide, so I'm going to paste in my progress photo in there so we can see the progress that we've made today. Notice that that screenshot does have those 3 color change layers visible in the layers palette. All right, folks, I hope that was helpful for today in changing your colors in your design. If you have any questions or concerns about this step of the project, please reach out and let me know. Otherwise, enjoy the process.